Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this Mercedes Benz CLA and it's a Hot Wheel edition, and as you can see it's new for 2026, and I think I saw this at the Canadian Auto Show, the actual full-size car, and by the time I reached there these were already sold out at their booth. Finally found it, happy to do it. Looks like a nice casting, and obviously it's not like what you see on the road, but it's very different, and I think it will be good to see. Let's open it up and have a look. Before we deep dive into the details, let's have a quick look. And you can definitely see it's different from any CLA you'll see on the road. So here's the Hotwheels Mercedes CLA. Now, the very first thing you will notice that has got a very unique paint job to it, and uh, that's obviously true because it's very different and it's modified heavily. So I'm going to start from the front. So in the front, you got a splitter, a full-length headlamp, which is joined here, and I think the actual car also had like this tinted pink color, so it's very close to what the actual model was. You got Mercedes badge 68 and some crazy paint going on there, and you can see it's modified, so wider wheel arches. You got both the mirrors and a windshield wiper, so a lot of good details, and the actual windshield on the car was tinted in pink too, so it's very close to being accurate. You also get the Mercedes logo, but it's again no details, painted details there. That's the main line, right? Moving on to the driver's side. Now here's where you see a lot of different things which you not see on a normal car. The front wheel are in a different shade. It's close to orange, rear are black, and has the multi-spoke design. Front wheel is very different. I think some of the 80s, 90s like design Hot Wheels have these wheels. You can see it's modified, different wheel arches on front and back. Also Hot Wheels 68 and the pink and blue paint continues. You also got a body kit going on here. There's no, I think CLA has a frameless glass, so it's kind of accurate here. And rear door, I'm not sure if it opens up, might be just shut close because of all the modifications. And from the side you can see there's a Mercedes logo on the wing, and the more aero body continues here, features. Moving to the back, you got the nicely detailed full-length tail lamp, got this huge wing, a lot of aero elements, diffusers and everything going on there. Lower bumper finished in black. Even there's some aero elements on the rear window. I don't know how they work, but you can see the Mercedes Benz written on the wing, and Hot Wheels, and the pink paint, pink black blue paint continues on the roof too. Passenger side looks almost identical to me. I didn't see a fuel flare on either side, so I'm not sure where it is, and you already saw it from the top. Base, no major details there, just like more and more Hot Wheels. There are not that many details on the base overall. Now if you are looking for a road going Mercedes CLA, then you are definitely going to be disappointed, but this is a replica of an actual car which was on display in the show, so I'm actually happy to get this one. So if you like this, obviously we won't have a car like this with a pink window and all that, but still a nicely detailed mainline with all the details, and yeah, it's a good one, and I think if you find these kind of cars interesting, you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.